So excited. Fit perfect. And then I have a little one. This is so easy, everyone. It's so easy to like. Okay, I'm just want to draw that so then I can see. Maybe this cute dragon scale, dragonfly. So what are we doing? Nope, her wing too big. So I have to wait for the bigger fingers. No, I want half of it. There you go. Ta-da. Stay nice and flat. So now I'm gonna do using my really cute one. Have all different colors. I hold chamfer foil and I hold. Oh no, it's not. It's a condensed glue gel. See what I am talking about? I'm not chamfering your nails. Today we don't have any chamfer foil nails. Like, we want to save it for tomorrow. Up lines on tight. I love it. So a lot of question. Here's an answer for all of you who asking a question. Is how you keep all the edges of the sticker. First of all, the stickers blend really nicely. It doesn't go. All the edges just stay nice and flat as soon as you place them down. And when I doing a condensed glue gels, is it even it's even sealed really nice as well. Can you close this one, please? I'm not using that crystal scale. I really like it. It's just so tiny and it looks perfect. Just like down here. I just make them zigzag. Is our dessert not bad, right? Our dessert nails not bad at all. That's it. We're not gonna let her have any more. That's it. You think that's it? Here for 60 seconds because she's so cute. Make sure we get this really stay nice in the frame. You can put more in there, but I think it looks good like this because if you put more in, it's gonna make it look too busy and it take away from my butterflies right now. Great. Here for 60 seconds. This is so cute. You can do this one like the same when I'm doing a dragon scale as well. Let me show you one in the meantime we're waiting. Some of the nails you might see me doing this. I have a client that she love, Miss KK love this. She's like doing randomly instead of AB, she would do them like a randomly. You can do something like this. Yeah. To place them together like that. Make sure I rock my fingers so. And then I can't wait because we should do ocean themes again, like a mermaid theme again. I already have an idea for our mermaid theme. Like we have this and this. And then we can do the with precision glue to make sure all the nails stay, all the crystals stay on. I usually feel scratchy right here. Give for 60 seconds. And you can always go back if you needed it, because sometimes after you go and you key it first, you don't want to just using it or key it for or filling in too much at one time, because sometimes if like with the big gaps and cracks, you need more than one time. I was doing with the clients like going a couple times when they have like a bigger crystals or 3D, so that way it doesn't look flooded or it doesn't have like runny too much. I can use this one again with my thumb after I'm doing a brush. I'm so excited with this. I'm so thrilled. Tomorrow we'll do some roses with this. Lace, black and rose and stuff with this. I'm so thrilled. And the brush is designed for just for you. Even like we're not, like me, I'm not too artistic at all. But I could use that. Like I feel this one's